Good morning, friends. This is Pranav from Hyderabad. Today topic is viral update, and we'll discuss about RBI currency and all, and and uh, and also prediction of Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks. So that is our today's topic. Okay. So today. Viral update is that booming stocks are TCS, SBI Life, Adani Ports, others in news today. Grab some popcorn. Okay. Mukesh Ambani versus Gautam Ambani, Adani. Rivalry is getting intense. So there is a rivalry between Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani. So that is another news. Bond route pushes cashback into stocks. So many investors are investing in stocks because of other things. Okay, we will discuss that. That is because of bonds. Because of federal interest rates and Russia-Ukraine war and other this thing. Okay, investing in equity back in fashion after bond selling intensifies. U.S. Federal Reserve rate hikes, Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, so all these things are because of that reason uh, they are investing in stocks. Paytm clarifies BSE query after parent shares dip to all-time low. Actually, Paytm shares are getting down every day, pushing down every day because of this thing. Because there is no proper business model. Okay, so shares falling, Paytm shares trading at 537 rupees per share. So there is, because of that reason, BSE BSE asked to Paytm to give the clarification why your share is falling, and all these things. Okay, lot of market cap, other things are also fall. Okay, so because of that reason, BSE asked the Paytm to give the reason. Sensodyne ordered to stop misleading ads. Okay, consumer body CCPA slaps 10 lakh fine. Actually, Sensodyne toothpaste. Okay, they are giving misleading misleading in the advertisement. Okay, so because of that reason, CCPA, that is court of something. Okay, 10 lakh fine to that company. So Tata Motors gains 3% on hike in commercial vehicles. Since last month, Tata Motors gains 3% on hike in commercial, 3% increase in sales. Okay. Rishi Soya to use 3,300 crore from FPO proceeds to retire debt. Out of this one, out of total total. So 3,360 crores they are utilizing for whatever debt they are taken, and also strong growth plans in NutriCare business. Okay, so they are planning to increase NutriCare business also. That is the thing. So that is the thing, and Adani Power ties up with HI4 of Japan, environmentally sustainable power generation. Okay, so that is another news. Bombay High Court allows Invesco appeal against injunction on EGM to remove GCEO Punit Goenka. So that is another news. Okay, so before we go to another this thing, so why did India sell $10 billion? That is a hot topic. This is a hot topic. So just I'll brief you this one. This month, where at one end foreign portfolio investors were selling shares and withdrawing their money from Indian markets, at the other end, India's central bank, that is RBI, was also selling. So you must be thinking, what is that RBI was selling? Well, RBI was selling India's foreign exchange reserves, which is in dollars. Yes, RBI has outrightly sold $10 billion in this financial epidemic. Now you must be thinking, why it is RBI, that is India, has sold $10 billion. Come, let us see what was the reason, and was it really necessary to do this? Yes. If you want a country's number one full service broker, which has been transformed into fully functional fintech company, then open your Demat account with Angel One and get best facilities like 1 year free AMC, small case, smart APIs, flat 20 rupees brokerage, personalized advisory, margin trading facility. To avail all these facilities, click on link given in the description and open your free Demat account today. With the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, the price of the crude oil has been increasing rapidly, and so also dollar has also risen against rupee. So during this war, financial mayhem, the value of rupee has fallen down to range of 76 to 77. The worst still there. According to sources, RBI had started to sell dollar, which the rupee had crossed the 76 mark and was headed 77 mark, so as to prevent a further slide in value. Up to the March 11, RBI had sold out $9.64 billion. Around the same time, as compared to the past, the foreign reserves has declined around uh, 622 $623 billion. And why and how RBI has done this? Well, on 8th March, RBI had sold some $5.135 billion to banks, and also said that at the end of the swap settlement period, they will buy back these dollars. Because when central bank sells, it also withdraws an equivalent INR from the system, which reduces the rupee liquidity in the system. Now dollar inflow into the market strengthened the rupee, which hit the 77 mark against the dollar on March 8. On March 17, the rupee spurted by 40 pies to close at 75.8081 against the US dollar. And during the Russia-Ukraine war, the rate at which the price of Brent crude was rising. High crude oil prices would have led to steep rise in dollar requirement as well. After all, India imports nearly 80% of its domestic requirements, and higher oil prices mean higher import bills. According to economists, if there is a rise in 10% in oil prices, then current account deficit will be increased around $15 billion. Why is foreign reserve falling? Well, the main component of foreign reserves are foreign currency assets, gold holdings, and SDR, special drawing rights of the International Monetary Fund. RBI sold $10 billion from foreign currency asset from its FCA kitty, which was present in its global central banks, foreign banks, and foreign securities. The prime reason was to strengthen the rupee, and we have seen how by doing this the rupee has stabilized. Unfortunately, the decline in the Forex reserves during the week ended March 11 this year was the sharpest in nearly 2 years. According to the RBI data, the value of India's special drawing rights (SDRs) with the International Monetary Fund declined $53 million to $19 billion, and India's reserve position in the IMF dropped by $7 million and to $5.146 billion during the week ended March 11. The country's Forex reserves had slipped by $11.9 billion during the week ended March 20th, 2020. The country's Forex reserves had touched an all-time high of $642.4.3 billion in the week ended September 3, 2021. So far, this is same reason India also sold 10 billion worth of dollar. So, because of this reason, India had sold $10 billion worth of dollar. Because of the just now I informed you. So, today's prediction of Nifty. Next topic is prediction of Nifty. So here the levels up for the today. Okay, Nifty March future, Bank Nifty March future. Britannia today's stocks in focus are Britannia, HDFC Bank, Hero Motor Corp, Motor Corp, JSW Steel, Mahanagar Gas Limited, Siemens, Syngene, Tech Mahindra. So these are all companies. Levels how we have to trade for Nifty today. Okay, you take a photograph of this. Okay, so we'll see that. Okay, so Nifty buying price is 17,460, 17,319. $17,406. Here it is a buy price. Okay. 17,319 is the selling point. Here it is. But market has to move here or gap up, whatever it is. Okay. So market should move like this, and if it crosses this price, you buy. Okay. If it crosses down after reaching here, okay, in between this trade after reaching down, you sell. So this is my this you have to follow strictly. Okay, reach at the levels, then only you sell. If it reaches this level, then only you buy. Okay, 17,400, 17,300 below, 320 below. Sell it. Okay, targets I have given. Okay, you just take a photograph. Okay, so if it goes upside, it will give you 72 points. If it comes down, it will give you 85 points. Same like Bank Nifty. If it is going up, okay, 282, 35,000, 36,574. Okay, we'll see Bank Nifty. That's 6,575. This reaches at 6,575. Okay, I'll tell you how to do this. If it reaches as 36,575. Okay, and that is the thing. And where is 36,400. At 6,400. It has to reach, first it has to reach in between. If it goes up, you buy. If it is coming down after reaching here, you sell. So that is the thing. So I hope you understood this, and uh, so you levels for today is this one. Okay, you take a photograph. Okay, and my calls are giving 70% accuracy. So if you want advice or any how to trade, how to do trading in the stock market, please call me, and I'll guide you how to trade, and also selection of stocks for long term and intraday. I'll guide you. So open my trading and Demat account. In the description, the link is provided. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.